Hi everybody, welcome back to another masterclass with the English Maestro. My name is Joel. I hope you're all doing very well and I hope you've had a good start to 2021. Today's topic is going to be about the new year, 2021, and New Year resolutions, what you plan for this year and what you hope will happen. So my first question for you to prepare is, what are your plans for 2021? Today, I'll be using some expressions that I have found on a great Instagram page. Japanese learners, you can find it here at Shin Kokonishi, up here. And she uses a lot of great expressions that are very common in daily expressions of English speaking. So what I'm going to do, what I would like to focus on today is more about the words that go well together. I'll give you an example. A lot of my students want to talk about barbecue, okay? But they aren't sure about what verb they should use for barbecue. Some of them say do or make a barbecue. It's wrong. So basically, I want you to look at the words that go well together. Barbecue, we usually say, have a barbecue. Okay, so firstly today, I'm going to give you a list of words. And while you are listening to me and my prepared answer for question 1, I want you to try to find these words and the words that I use together with them. Okay, so the list of words is confident, chances, risks, procrastinating, concentration, creative, and plan. Okay, I have prepared my answer for 1 minute. Try to find the words that I just mentioned there and how I use them in sentences. Everyone knows how tough 2020 was. So I am hoping that 2021 will be far better. And I have a lot of big plans for this year. To be able to achieve these goals, I think I need to improve some aspects of myself. Firstly, I would like to become more confident. I want to be able to feel comfortable in all situations. I also want to take more chances. I read that in order to be successful, you need to take risks. It doesn't matter if I fail. I just want to try and see how it goes. In order to do this, I will need to stop procrastinating. I always put things off and tell myself I will do them later. To do this, I will improve my concentration skills and also be more organized by using a diary or planner. Lastly, I really want to get a six-pack. I know you probably think this is impossible for me, but I have a plan and I intend to stick to the good healthy habits I've developed. Do you think I can achieve all of these things? Well, you will just have to keep watching until 2022. Okay, so could you find how I use these words in a sentence? I'll go through them again with you and just show you how I use them. The first one, become more confident. Take more chances. Improve my concentration skills. Stop procrastinating. Become more organized. Stick to the good healthy habits I've developed. So the main point being, if you just learn vocabulary, a lot of students don't know how to use them. So it's important that you try to find the words that go well together. Like I said, if you're an English learner in Japan, I would check out this Instagram page here, Shin Kokonishi. She has a lot of great expressions and she'll be able to help you get through these as well. Anyway, I hope this has helped you and I look forward to teaching you again soon. Peace.